Are you a renter? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. Today I'm going to focus on rental properties and how to make your rental home or apartment feel more like you. I get so many questions about rental properties, and I do have an older video that you can watch where I highlight key areas that you can change in your rental, especially if you have a very strict landlord. Some won't even let you paint the walls. Anyway, if you can't paint the walls or drill holes in the walls, go check out that video. Today, I'm going to show you a few other ideas for making your rental feel a little less like a rental. Most rental apartments tend to have a more commercial look. Landlords love spaces that are basic, uniform, low maintenance, and builder-grade generic. So these tips will help make that kind of setting a lot more residential in feeling, more homey, more personality, and all it really needs is your own personal touch to make it your own. And yes, maybe some spackle to fill in the holes when you leave, a small price to pay for making your home truly feel like home, don't you think? Let's get to it. In the previous video, I talked about changing up your kitchen cabinets or bathroom cabinets by changing out the existing hardware. But now I want you to focus on the interior doors. Interior doors are such an integral part of any home, not only because they separate spaces, obviously, but they also provide a clue about your general style preference. Sure, the style of the door matters, but the hardware is really where that style comes through. It's something you grab every day, so the look and feel is important. A great quality doorknob or handle just makes any door, style or no style, feel more important. Most builder grade handsets are fairly bland. Maybe they're the basic wavy lever like this. Or this one is very popular too with landlords. Just basic, nothing really that special. But look at these handles instead. Style, personality, finish, and that sparkle. Changing out the door handles on your interior doors can really set the stage for your own personal style story to come through. Are you more modern? Are you more traditional? Instantly, your doors reflect that intention. Just hang on to the landlord's hardware so you can switch them back when you leave. I love changing out closet doorknobs with glass knobs. They make any basic closet look more special. Or a bathroom door, the glass knob is so elegant. The other tip for interior doors, maybe you don't want to invest in new hardware, a coat of paint can really bring new life to those interior doors, and sometimes that basic hardware looks great on a painted door too. There's nothing more show-stopping than black interior doors in a home. I just love how that elevates any space. Black paint, that's all it takes. Or if you're not into black, a beautiful, rich, deep color will bring that pizzazz to your rental property. Just make sure to get permission first. Oh, and most likely you won't be able to do any of this with your front door or your suite entry door, but maybe if you ask nicely, your interior doors could get a whole new look. Sometimes your rental home may come fully or partially furnished, and that has its own challenges, of course. Focus on key pieces of furniture and how to transform them into something you'd actually buy and have in your home. For instance, the sofa. The best way to integrate a landlord's sofa in your own home decor taste is with a slipcover if the color and fabric of the sofa isn't to your liking. I find that slipcovers that are made with a linen blend are the best because they just look like slipcovers. There's no point in fighting it, by the way, just go with it. They should drape slightly and hang a little loosely for best results. It's the easiest way to start from neutral. And then head over to my video about how to style your sofa with all the best tips I've got for styling with pillows, the number of pillows, and what to do with throws. Your pillows can really make your living room feel like your own personal design style. And now that you have a neutral slip-covered backdrop, it's easy to get your look just right. I'll link it below. Also, many apartments will come with bedroom furniture, and again, the biggest piece of furniture that really makes your style statement is the bed. If the bed doesn't have a headboard, then you need to get one. or make one. The headboard of a bed can really dictate your bedroom design style. There are so many DIY options for you. I love the idea of hanging fabric or a wall hanging as your headboard, or making your own upholstered headboard, something you can take with you too. Or maybe you've been given a wooden headboard and would like to dress that up. Here are some great DIY upholstery ideas to cover up the wood headboard. I love the idea of decorating with fabric because there are endless fabric options to best reflect your specific design look. Even a basic upholstered headboard can be modified with your own personal look. Find a fabric that really makes you feel like this is your master bedroom. Again, make sure you're not damaging the landlord's furniture when you make your modifications. Always leave everything as you found it. Drapery is a great way to add warmth and that softness that comes with residential spaces. Most rentals come with shades or blinds, but adding some fabric can really make a space feel more like home. And again, fabric choices are endless, so look for curtains that reflect your style. From flowy sheers to patterned panels, a little bit of fabric can go a long way. Are you enjoying this video? Maybe you need more personalized help from me. You can find me on Patreon. Head over to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. Share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments below which of these styling tips you're absolutely going to try in your own rental home. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Another important aspect to making your space feel less commercial and more residential is artwork and mirrors. I say both because in many cases, art and mirrors are interchangeable. But the key thing to remember here is the word oversized. There's something so magical that comes with extra large decor on your walls. Look for key walls to add a large piece of art that really speaks to your design style, and go big. Instantly, everyone's attention will go to that piece and not the basic ugly floors in the space, or the dated popcorn ceiling, or the walls you're not allowed to paint. Look for places to add large mirrors. Mirrors also visually expand your space, and some rentals can really feel closed in and small. Adding a large mirror, even one that just leans up against the wall, is a great way to open up the space and feel more inviting. I love adding mirrors behind consoles or benches. Large, oversized mirrors in a small entry can do wonders for setting the stage for your design style. Mirrors can be clean lines and modern, or ornate and traditional. Sometimes a dining room is only defined by the light hanging from the ceiling. Add a large mirror, and now you've made it your very own special dining area. I think I talk about mirrors in every video about styling and decorating your home, but seriously, investing in an oversized mirror will never be a bad thing. You can take it with you to every home and use it in so many different ways. And finally, lighting has such a huge role in setting your design style. Not only the amount of light in your home, but also the style of the light fixture itself. Most rental properties have pretty basic lights in the space. Maybe you've seen some of these. Hollywood lights for your bathroom vanity, or this pendant light indicating where your dining room table should go, or this flush mount in the entry hall, otherwise known as the boob light. Once you see it, you'll never unsee it. Anyway, changing out the light fixtures in your rental will give you loads of opportunity for style and making it feel like your own home. Look for fixtures that really say something about your style. Maybe a vanity light that looks like this, or this. How about replacing that dining room pendant with a light fixture that looks more like this, or this? And finally, those entry hall boob lights. Actually, sometimes they're used in other spaces too. Be careful because they are everywhere. Flush mounts could be replaced with so many other styles. Here are just a few examples, and you're welcome. Remember, keep the landlord's lights in a safe place so you can switch them back if and when you move out. Another great tip, buy your own floor lamps. They are a huge addition to your overall home decor. You can move them around and tuck them into corners or behind other furniture. They are the perfect way to add light and style to any space. I love interesting lighting that you can point to key areas in your home, like spotlights. This one here is highlighting the artwork. And notice how big that artwork is. Wall sconces can be a great addition to any space, and there are lots of them that come with a cord and a plug, so no need for a professional electrician. It's such an easy way to add personality, light, and a touch of your style to your basic living space. Changing out your light bulbs is also another great way to warm up your space and make it more homey. Look for warm white light bulbs for a warmer glow versus the cold blue light that makes spaces feel more commercial. Lighting adds warmth and interest to any space, and on top of that, you can pick something that actually says something about you and your style taste. So definitely think about ways to change or add to your rental home's lighting. So here's your takeaway. The best way to decorate your rental property is by first asking your landlord nicely and then adding all the things that make the space feel more like you. It could be as simple as changing out the door handles for your interior doors, or a bit more creative with your very own upholstered headboard. Artwork or mirrors should make a statement, while lighting is always an important style detail. Just remember to be respectful and mindful of your landlord's things. Leave everything as you found it. Go ahead and watch that other video for rental property design tips. They kind of go hand in hand with this one. I'll link it below with a bunch of other videos you might be interested in. Head over to my Patreon page to help support this channel. I've got lots of tiers, including some personalized virtual design advice if that's what you need. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. We've got new videos every week. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.